Welcome to SK Lifestyle. Thanks for joining me today. Of course, I'm going to be going over this Yogibo Laptray. All right, and before we get started, be sure to subscribe to SK Lifestyle. Yeah, that's right. You just want to hit that subscribe button right there and the notification bell. That way you can be updated on your feed each and every week whenever I come out with a new video in real time. I appreciate your support. Now let's get to it. And if you want to check me out on Instagram, it's s.k_lifestyle. I was in the mall the other day and I saw the Yogibo store, and I did also purchase another product as well. If you want to check that out, the link is up above. This is a Star Wars edition. It was 60 bucks. They do sell original plain looking ones for about 50 bucks. So I got the backrest and I also got this. So let me show you a quick 360 of this and then we'll get into it further. So you can see it has a very thick bottom to it with the Yogibo beads inside. And then of course on top you got the nice hardwood surface. So starting with the bottom, this is very comfortable. Just like the backrest, just like all their other products, it's just the beads work very well. And the hardwood tabletop here is pretty large, so I think that's nice. And of course I got my little rebellion sticker on the side here. It's very accommodating. You can kind of have a small Chromebook or something, or even your laptop, kind of got room for your hands or something, or at least enough to accommodate a large size laptop. The hardwood surface itself is very nice. It's very kind of soothing, you know what I mean? When you're around like nice hardwood, kind of those kind of materials, it's a lot better than just a hard plastic kind of thing. So I really appreciate that. And then again, moving back to the padding itself, this is much deeper than what you would find on like a cheap Laptray. Most of the cheap ones are probably half as thick. So what I noticed is, you know, while I'm in this chair, or especially while I'm like laying in bed upright, you can really get it to kind of just sit the way you want it. You see, it's almost not vertical, but at more than a 45-degree angle. You can get it to really shove down a lot, and it kind of plants right in place. I really like that. So one of the other features it comes with is this right here. Just a little cheap wood stick, but made of the same material, and then they got a sticky back to it. So you can kind of place it wherever you want. And that's just for like books and stuff. Of course, laptops and everything have the little rubber bottoms, so they're not going to really slip as much even on the wood. But if you got a hard covered book or a magazine or something, you can always plant this in place, and then that'll hold whatever you're trying to read there while you got it upright and stuff. So let me show you really quickly what it looks like with a laptop. All right, so here I have my Asus laptop, and this is about a 17-inch screen. Or no, I'm sorry, maybe like a 16-inch screen. This is a full-size laptop, however, and you can see it sits on there very nice. You know what I mean? There's still room on the sides here. Not a lot, but still enough that the whole laptop is on there and you can kind of rest your hands. It's just very nice. I definitely can appreciate that. And now let me show you what it's like to use a tablet. So here I have an iPad mini. And that's what this little slot in here is for. You can just sit there, have your tablet, and it's at a pretty nice angle as well. Now, mind you, you can also tilt this up and down, and you see how it kind of keeps the tablet planted as well. So that's nice. It's actually a pretty deep ridge. It's about 1/3 of an inch deep. And of course, it's just perfectly flat as well. So if you need to, you can put stuff right over that ridge, no problem. It's not going to be a hindrance whatsoever. Hopefully this was helpful to you if you're looking at a Laptray, or specifically the Yogibo, just so you can see some of my thoughts, my reactions, and what it's like to actually live with this. I did obviously use it for a little while before doing this video, just so I can give some pretty good feedback. If you appreciate this video, hit the like button, hit the share button, comment down below. Again, subscribe to SK Lifestyle. Hit that subscribe button down below and the notification bell. Again, I'm on IG, s.k_lifestyle. It was a pleasure showing you this video, and I will see you all next time.